If, like most people, you're running your business on a shoestring budget, you're probably looking for ways to save as much money as possible. Here are 10 ways of doing that. 1. Know your target market. Who are your ideal customers? Where do they shop? What do they read? What solutions are they looking for that your business provides? The more you know about your customers, the better you'll be able to target your promotions towards them, which will increase your bottom line. 2 ways it will save you spending money on advertising that doesn't work, and it will increase your sales because you're offering your customers what they really want. 2. Get double duty out of any contact with your customers. If you sell products, put your contact information on everything: products, bags, invoices, sales receipts. Make it easy for everyone to find you. Give away something free. If you have a website, give your customers something for giving you their contact information. Free e-books, reports, or software are all good choices. Anytime you send your customers anything, a product, a newsletter, an invoice, etc., include a coupon or some information about your latest products or services. To save money on postage, if you have a brick-and-mortar store, put a copy of your latest newsletter or an informational flyer in your customer's bag after each sale. 3. Reward your customers. Set up a reward program. Offer them a reward for anyone they refer who becomes a customer. Or give your customers a free gift when they spend $50, or whatever amount makes sense in your business. When they're eligible for the free gift, offer them an upgrade to something bigger or better for a few dollars more. Start a customer loyalty program. Provide customer-only sales, or promotions. Let your customers earn points or magic money that they can use to redeem your products or services. 4. Get ready for your close-up. When you're brainstorming about creating a promotion or advertising campaign, don't forget about your local cable TV channel. You may be pleasantly surprised by how low their rates actually are. Create your own television commercial or infomercial. Although you may not be ready for prime time, you can still target your ad to reach your customers. 5. Get involved in your community. Find a non-profit organization that is doing work you believe in, and either publicly support their program, or be one of their sponsors for an upcoming event or fundraiser. Use the advertising spot to let people know about the fundraiser, and incidentally, your business. You could put together an inexpensive ad campaign that will help those in need, increase your visibility, and let your potential customers know that you're supportive and aware of the needs of the community. 6. Beef up your business plan. If you don't have a business plan, make writing one a priority. Your business plan is more than just a way to interest investors. It's a roadmap that will help you get from where you are now to where you want to be. That old saying, if you fail to plan then you're planning to fail, really is true when it comes to business. 7. Get testimonials from your satisfied clients. But don't stop there. What about creating your own television commercial that you can run in your store? With a video camera and a little ingenuity, you could even create your own infomercial that shows customers how to use or get the most out of your products or services. If you've got a website, put an audio testimonial on there. Don't forget to include pictures. 8. Speak up. Again, keeping in mind who your ultimate ideal customers are and what their most pressing problems are, write an article, offer a free seminar, or offer to be a speaker at a local chamber of commerce or other organization or community meetings. Being perceived as an expert is a relatively easy and inexpensive way to get the word out about your business, and bring in more customers. 9. Create joint ventures. Even if your primary business is a brick-and-mortar one, you can still create a joint venture that will help you save money by sharing the costs for advertising. What about creating a special sidewalk sale with other business owners on your street or in your neighborhood? Or finding businesses with complementary products or services to yours, and creating a package deal? If your business is only online, look for ways you can partner with other businesses. Maybe you could create solo ads and promote each other's products or services in your mailing lists. There are a lot of ways you can save money and increase your client base if you're willing to get creative. 10. Let your customers know you know what their problems are. It's sad but true that your customers don't care how good your products or services are. They only want to know 2 things: do you understand what their problems are, and can you solve them? Give your customers the key to their problems, and you'll have evangelistic customers who come back again and again. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.